So recently I was asked a question about formatting a chart in Excel, specifically about ordering values or sorting values along the axis, whether in descending or ascending order. Now, when converting a table or columns to a chart, it can be a bit confusing when you sort from highest value to lowest value or vice versa, and your chart doesn't come out as you expected. So today, let's take a look at a short example of how you would do this in Excel. So the first thing we need to do is create our chart. So I'll go ahead and press Control A. We'll highlight everything. Go under the Insert tab, choose Recommended Charts, and we'll just choose a bar chart for simplicity. Click OK. And let's expand it. As you can see here, there's no true sorting method. It's just taking it as the data is presented. So we've got Cookie Carnival up here. Here's Cookie Carnival at the bottom of our table, Taste of Paradise, and so on and so forth. Now, one way you would think to sort this from lowest value to highest value is to choose our sales column here, and let's sort smallest to largest. Now, while that worked in our table here, if we look at our chart, it's actually ordered from highest to lowest. Not exactly what we wanted. So you could reverse the order, change this to largest to smallest, and there you go. Now, if I go ahead and select the chart here, and actually let's choose our horizontal axis. Now, when I'm looking at the axis options, I'll open this up. You can see here that the vertical axis cross is set to automatic. If I were to change axis value, I could adjust that. If I change the maximum axis value, we're back in descending order, and we moved our companies to the right-hand side of our chart. Now, if you actually wanted your categories or your company names on the right side of the chart, you can put it back in descending order. If you look down here, we've got this values in reverse order. If I go ahead and select that, go back to automatic, and there you go. But if you're like most people and you want it on the left-hand side, we could take off that values in reverse order, and we're back to ascending order. So these are the main ways that you would actually sort your data in a chart. Whether you want it in ascending or descending order, you do have these options. You could work with just the table data, or you could use these format access options. And there's a lot more in here that you could use. You could set the access bounds. For instance, our max value here goes to 3.2 million, but our chart is set to go to 3.5 million, and this is in scientific notation. So if you just wanted to set the max to 3.25, and then automatically this is going to go to a negative value, we can just change that to 0. And now you've got your max value reaching the end of that chart. So there's more you can play with, but we can cover that another time if you're interested. As for now, you can safely sort your chart data from lowest to highest value or highest to lowest. I hope that was easy enough for you guys to understand. It's not complicated. You just have to know what the axis options are that you need to work with. And if you have any other Excel chart related questions you want me to go over, feel free to ask. Until next time, data people, thanks for watching.